This is DANL100 Programming for Data Analytics. Chapter 3 Open Data. Agenda. In this short video, I'll discuss the following topics. Topic number 1. Concept of open source. Topic number 2. Open data for finance, accounting, economics, and business. Topic number 3, example of Yahoo Finance. Topic number 4, SEC filing. Topic number 5, Professor French Data Library. Topic number 6, FRED, Federal Reserve Economic Data Library. Topic number 7, Other Open Data Sources.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
Topic number 3. Example of Yahoo Finance. From Yahoo Finance, we can get lots of information, public information about industry, about economy, about individual company. I'm going to show you how to get historical monthly price data for IBM. First one is we type finance yahoo.com. So finance.yahoo. Okay, from search we enter IBM. So International Business Machine. Click IBM. So we can get, I think this is a summary. Today's stock price is $120.80 and it's 11 cents below and it's 0.09% down. Most of the time, we're interested in the historical data. So click historical data. Here we have time frequency, a time period. We have frequency, we click apply and download. Okay. So click max. So this is from 62. I think we have click down. Okay. Suppose it's monthly. Click apply, then click download. Topic number 4, SEC filing. According to related regulation or government policy, all the public company have to file various financial statements with SEC, U.S. Securities Exchange Commission. Okay. Then you can type SEC filing. Okay, so this is a major page. Okay, U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Okay. We can search individual companies' filing. And there's some description of all kinds of form. And as it's from list, it's a PDF version. Most of the time, we are interested in so-called index. We always start from index. For example, so let's look at the one index. We download one index file. Okay. So click full and quarterly index. And from here, it's from 1993 up to 2021. Okay, so this latest filing, including this is so-called daily. Okay, daily, and because now is February, so we just click 2020. So let's look at, for example, first quarter. Okay, we have all kinds of zip file, GZ, and .zip file. Okay, so usually this is text file. Okay, IDX actually is text file. So let's download the one text file. I'm going to use Notepad to open it. Okay, I'm going to open the folder. Okay, I'm going to open with, I use Notepad. For example, I use Notepad. And there is one question in homework number 1. It's related to this file. Okay. This is a top part of the index file quarterly. Okay, so this is the name, must index file of 𝐟𝐤𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐠𝐬. So 𝐟𝐢𝐥𝐢𝐳, this is name of the platform. I think it's electronic data gathering, analysis, and reporting. So March 31st, and so this is corresponding to Q1. And this is FTP location, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 input variable. Okay, so this is company name. The company name. This is name of the financial reporting form. Okay, form type. CIK, central index key. So this is company ID, unique company ID. So this is when the company filed, and this is location of the data. Okay, location of the filing. I'm going to copy this one. And show you how to get the real filing. Okay, I'm going to get a new one. And I'm going to go back to here. So this is location of the index file. Okay, I have 2. Okay, so this is the first one, and you see the 𝐟𝐤𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐠, corresponding 𝐟𝐤𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐠. Okay, I simply delete everything here, and I put this part, put it here. Okay, so this actually is location of the filing. Okay, so let's go back. Let's get another one. So I paste it here. You see, this is the true filing of for this company. Okay, so this is the date filed. This is company name. This is company name. This is central index key, CIK, unique company ID, and continue this way. So this is SIC index. Another very useful SEC financial data set is called financial statement data set. So SEC. You type financial statement data set. So it's from January 2009 to December 2020. If you're going down, this is PDF file. It's like README file. So financial statement dataset. It is an excellent idea trying to download to figure out how to process this dataset. And it starts from 2009, Q1, 2001. Now it's Q 2020, Q4. Okay, so after you click this one, then we can download this dataset. Okay. By the way, I'm going to mention very quickly about zip file. Okay. I think I haven't finished yet. Okay, so this is our dataset. You see 2020 Q4. Okay. So this is a major file called the num.txt, pre.txt. So this is readme file, and this is submission file and tag file. Okay. So each zip file contains 5 text file. You can call 4 text file. One is readme file. So actually we have 4 data file. Okay. So this is as easy. So if you click num, then you can see the structure of the data set. I think it's too big, so let's look. Topic number 5, Professor French data library. Okay, you can just type French data library. Okay, just click here. This is Professor French data library. Going down, then we have lots of data. Okay, the typical most useful data set is called Pharma French 3-factor. The first one is monthly, weekly, and daily. Okay, text file and CSV. I'm going to show you how to download the data, how to unzip. Okay, so this is CSV file. Simply click, and at left bottom we can see this. This is a zip file. Okay, if you look at here, you can compress the zip file. Okay, and just double click. So this is a CSV file. Okay, so I can copy. If I go to my ctemp, I can paste it here. Okay, so FF French, and I can use Excel open or I can use Notepad. Okay, I'm going to use Excel open first. Okay, just click. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you use write some program or program to read this file, you have to skip the first 3 lines. Okay, so this is year and month, and so this is market return minus with free. Okay, so this should divide by 100. So all the value should divide by 100. This is small minus big, small portfolio return minus big portfolio return. This is high portfolio return minus low portfolio return. High and low, we are talking about a ratio, and high book value over, we are talking about the book value of the equity divided by the market value of equity. So we calculate the ratio. So this is risk-free rate. Again, if we write our code, we have to skip 3 lines or even 4 lines. Okay, and the first one is date. This is market return minus risk-free rate. So this is small portfolio return minus big portfolio return. This is high ratio portfolio return minus low ratio portfolio return. So this is risk-free rate. All this value should divide by 100. Obviously, this is monthly data. This is 1926 July. Okay. However, if we're going down, if we're going down this data set, we'll see something called the annual data. Okay, so this data set has 2 parts. The first one, top one, is annual data. Sorry, it's a monthly data. At the bottom is annual data. Okay. If we're going down again, we will see this one. It's so-called copyright. So this is not part of the data. Okay. So if we want to retrieve only monthly data, one solution is we simply delete this part. We simply delete this part. Okay. So next one, I'm going to show you open the same data set using Notepad. Okay. So we can use Excel. We can also use Notepad. Sometimes it's much easier to use Notepad, and it's also structure is much clearer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we see clearly is comma separate, right? It's comma separate. Then we're going down. Then we'll see at the bottom of the monthly data, we have annual data. Then we have annual data. Okay. Then we can, for example, we can just save it. Farmer monthly. We call CSV. Okay, monthly CSV. We simply divide. Okay, we can just delete. We simply delete bottom part. Then we save it. And when we read this file, it's less likely we have the mistake. Okay, we skip 1, 2, 3 line, or we can simply skip 4 line, because if you use the read.csv, and you have to specify, if you skip 4 line, you have to specify head is false. Head is false, everything will be data. If you skip 3 line, then you read this one as header or as variable name. I think the first one is missing, and the software use v1 to represent or other value to represent. Then you can use COLNAME function to add. So this should be date. So it should be date. Okay. I don't know why Professor French missed this one. So this one should have a date variable. Okay, okay, so this is input dataset for monthly Farmer French. Topic number 6, FRED, Federal Reserve Bank's Data Library. Okay, so this we can access lots of data set here. Okay. So this is location is FRED, St. Louis, FED.org. For example, US European exchange rate. Click here. If we want, we can click download. 2016. And so this is DEX US European. Okay, and we just click download. We can use Excel file, CSV file. So usually I use CSV file. So this is exchange rate. Okay, I think it's D. The first letter D is mean daily. EX mean exchange rate. US, and so D for daily. Okay, EX for exchange rate. Okay, US and EU. So this is called direct quote. Direct quote. Okay, so US dollar per euro. Okay, okay, I repeat. Okay, so this is a date, okay, and you look at this value. Okay, I'm going to copy, paste, make it bigger. Okay, the first letter D represents daily. Okay, EX stands for exchange rate. US is US dollar value. So this is US dollar. $1.1131 per euro, EU. Okay, if we reverse EU, US, then it is other way around. It's indirect quote. Okay, so this is direct quote, direct quotation for daily exchange rate between US and the euro. 14710, the quarterly GDP from 1947. Control N. So this is October 1st, 2020. So this is quarterly GDP.